Hey yo, welcome back to another video. Today I want to talk to you guys about this hidden gem that not many people are talking about. If you guys are looking to invest in a stable project for long term, this is the one for you. And the one I'm talking about is Glitch. To put it into a sentence, Glitch is a highly scalable blockchain agnostic protocol that's purpose-built for DeFi. I know it sounds like a lot, but trust me, this is the easiest way to define Glitch in a sentence. But before we move forward talking more about it, if you guys are here for the first time, do want to stay up to date with the crypto market, I highly recommend you guys scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video for the YouTube algorithm to push the video out to more people. More people see the incredible side of Glitch, they decide to buy into it, start spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. So the best thing you can do is go down and slap a like on it. Let's go for 104 likes. If we smash that, that would be incredible. Now, if you guys have been around in the crypto market for over 4 to 5 months, you might remember about 2 months ago, Glitch actually received a lot of attention because the spikes and the bull run that it received was crazy. And since then, it has become crazier as they're starting to develop the market even more. Glitch is a fast, interoperable blockchain agnostic protocol purpose-built for DeFi. Rather than aiming to be jack-off or use case, Glitch has a singular focus on decentralized financial applications and trustless money markets. Now, personally, the best thing that I find about the Glitch team is any profit that the team makes, they put it all back into the project, which I don't see many other companies doing or many other projects doing. They like to take profit and spend it for themselves, while this company is putting it all back into the project to make it bigger as it goes forward. Now, some of the features are scalable with industry-leading transaction speeds and a sub-second block time latency rate. Glitch features a minimum of 3000 TPS that increases based on the network growth. Low cost, so if you do want to send, it will be much cheaper for the transaction fees and stuff like that. Interoperable, so in simple terms, you can actually convert your token into different blockchains such as Ethereum and Binance, which I think is crazy. The bridge between those two would make a huge difference. Democratic, Glitch utilizes a decade-delegated proof-of-stake system to guarantee that no individual gains control of the network. Now, if you do want to buy Glitch, the amount of places where it's been listed is crazy. PancakeSwap, yes. KuCoin, yes. Uniswap, you name it, you will be able to go ahead and find Glitch Finance there, and it's much easier to buy compared to other tokens which are about its size. Let's just say Glitch has some very big partnerships. Also, they have some cool things such as they have their own wallet explorer to check the price of Glitch, also the market cap. Then there is the bridge between two different networks. There is staking. You will be able to stake your token so you can get some APY return on it. We're going to get more into it, but some things that are yet to come is partnerships. There are going to be some bigger ones. There's also going to be a launchpad that will be released by Glitch, mainnet and revenue sharing, top tier exchange list such as Binance and obviously crypto.com, GEX on testnet and mainnet. So there is some huge things yet to come for Glitch, and honestly I personally feel like this is the best time to buy into the token. Now, if we talk about some partners that are already working with the Glitch team, some names that you guys might know, the investors such as TrustSwap, Spark. Then if we talk about their partners that you might know, some big names such as Polygon, Chainlink, Orion, and there are some big other names as well such as Bird Money, and they have some huge things coming out, and these people partnering up and being investors such as TrustSwap is a big deal. It just shows that GlitchSwap actually has so much happening in the background and you might want to stay up to date with it. Now, a couple of things which I personally really like about the GlitchSwap is the market cap. The market cap is so low right now. Even if let's say Glitch got to $1 billion market cap, which is not that much if you think about Rune, which is on 2 billion. At the moment, the price that Glitch is on, if it decides to make it to the Rune's market cap, it would be worth close to $30. From this point on, that would be close to a 40x. And I want to show you guys their wallet. You can see that you can actually create your own wallet and store your crypto, and the APY that I was talking about, if you do decide to stake your Glitch, you get a return of 123%, which is yearly, which is obviously APY. Personally, I think that is is a great return while you're still holding onto a token which has so much potential. The DeFi is the part which makes it so unique. Just to mention a few: stablecoin, DAO, bridge, revenue share, NFT marketplace, GEX, lending platform, so many things. And if we decide to look at the chart right now on the coin market cap, you guys can see it peaked close to $2.80, which was not that long ago. It was close to 2 to 3 months ago, and since then it has had a pullback just like the whole crypto market. Just today it is up 8%, and if we decide to look at the trading volume, you can see it's up close to 50%. So there's a lot of people that are buying into Glitch while it is in the dip formation, and I would not say that you should not be one of those people, because at the moment Glitch has some crazy things yet to come in. If we talk about their roadmap, soon they're going to be releasing the roadmap for 2022, which will be something like the third-party developers. They want to get the automated D-app, token generator, wallet browser extension, stablecoin will be released, NFT platform, lending platform, GitHub release, obviously multi-sig transaction types. There is just so many things that Glitch project still has to come out, and personally I'm really excited to see where they head off. If you do want to stay up to date with everything, I highly recommend you guys follow them on Twitter. They're extremely active on it and they have a huge following, so you can actually stay up to date with everything to do with the project. And another great place to contact them would be Telegram. If you do not join the Telegram, you will miss out on some very key information about Glitch protocol, and you do not want to miss out on that. Another thing is their white paper. I personally feel like this is one of the best white papers, or one of the best onto the point white paper I have read. I've seen cooler ones, but I personally feel like they have the most information in the shortest white paper I have read. Also, to help people in the Telegram, they have different languages such as English, Spanish, Indonesian, Japanese. They're going to be adding more into it. You can see there is just so much bigger team working behind the Glitch team. And also Gpool, if you guys remember, we talked about them about 2 months ago, and they are partnered up with Glitch as they were a big part of it. Now Gpool launchpad, staking platform, all that will be coming out, and that will have a huge impact on the Glitch platform price as well, and especially their native token. Overall, there's just so much yet to come for this token, and I personally feel like it has not cooled off. It's just shown the world what it can do, and there is a lot more yet to come in, especially the big partnership I've told you guys about, such as Chainlink, Polygon. Those are some big names, and if they decide to get into the ecosystem of that and they decide to pop into the billion market cap, that will put the price of the token close to $20, which is just insane. From this point on, you can actually make so much profit. But other than that, what do I think about the token? I personally feel like it is a good long-term hold, and I would personally want it in my wallet, because I do not know when Glitch will just randomly pop off and a lot of people are going to become millionaires. But out of the way, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.